Uma Wailadmiki Shillong ubadi Menteri Sorkar wapet ke ketenat gi kam Ialehkai hapok ke jelam Meghalaya hak jinglet ban peli perda ya ke Lympung Ialehkai handball jong ki skul ba beper jong gari kabala penlong ha skul ba Ustm hari Bhoi district menta ke sengi hapa jingkren kumukongsan ulong ba ke jelam Meghalaya ka don ya shibun ki samla don sab hak ban Ialehkai ya ki jing Ialehkai beper bat ba ke Sorkar ru ka shimkhya ban bu bha hakmat ya ki samla nong Ialehkai ha ka bak Sorkar kala thau ya ka bha thungkam ya ki nong Ialehkai ki Wanrah ya ka nam job na ki Lympung Ialehkai ha ka international level bat ka national level ba on penrung kam Sorkar ya ki klem na don kam ban yikun ya ka exam thungkam da ka benrap da ka ktin hindi ka boong medal law job leki jaw shushu ulakhot ru ya ki samla ki bena ki wei ki jela ba namar ka jing itanat jong jela Meghalaya kin penlut ya kapor ban lej chegi jeka jungo kai perthai ban long ga jingsa jingken mau habagiwan ha jela Meghalaya ulapun ken mau ru bag jela Meghalaya kan sayok ban Pdiang ya ke jing penlong ya ke national games house number 1 kata house number arjar arpoh nyau bat kermen ban ye kendu ya ke samla Ialehkai ha ke national games.
Meghalaya will be hosting the next edition of national game on 2027, which I am hopeful to see many of you will be coming back and participating in the national game. And I would like to inform you, especially in Meghalaya, our youth are really lucky and fortunate because right now you have a lot of encouragement and support with you. I'd just like to inform you that especially under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, right now we are focusing on developing more infrastructure, and just to inform you that Meghalaya is building the biggest football stadium in the country right now. The biggest football stadium. And we do understand for you to have that encouragement, for your family to support you, we need something special. That's why government of Meghalaya from the Sports and Youth Affairs Department have passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Sport Person Direct Recruitment Policy, where a sports person in the past, we have 2% job quota for them, where they have to fight among themselves to get a job opportunity in government. But right now, in order to support our young athletes and to encourage the family member to support them, that's why the state government have passed this policy, where under this policy, whoever bring medals in national game, Asian game, Olympics, Paralympics, South Asian Games, directly they will get government job. No need to appear for recruitment. Directly when you come, you will get the job. It's like they say, medal lao, job leki jao. So I hope this is a big boost and a big encouragement for our young athlete. I wish all the participating team the very best. May this tournament be remembered not only for outstanding performance, but also for friendship, sportsmanship, and unity among our youth. With these few words, before I will resume my seat, once again, I would like to urge to all of you who have come, please take time. Meghalaya is a very beautiful state, very beautiful place to see. So please explore and please try some local dishes also for you to take your memory with you. So with these few words, once again, thank you and Jai Hind.